Alright guys, and that's no yasa yeshia ye behwe sane ye be make money. Cause one first video no ebe call ewiye na we take action enso. Esan say ene no de ebe ye no enye very difficult. Eye very easy say obi a even a crampo ebetumi dey make money ewo online irrespective of baby a owo bia. Enti no ye hwe sane obehwe videos na dey making money. On say aya uko YouTube a uko videos obi entwia woka utumi video ewo Facebook, TikTok, any other video platform biano. Osha, wonya sike bia wom. Eno ntina sa opportunity we wo say so de behwe video bi ntua wakade. Ene adentina mo fan hwe video ewo website bi so a obetimi ede enye sika ede free so. Before we get started no, so woni je ho say de bia no obe make money ewo online a. Obe subscribe to our channel we say no turn on notification bell no na I get notified de bia na ede video ebe to ha say aha eye road to world. Into first website make ho asam de achire no eye creationsrewards.net. creationsrewards.net. Website we say our system anymore since the year 2000. Into we know say for the past 23 years one etua enkrofoka mra omone omo eye adwuma ewo site we say so. It is also ode ho shem na say we bia also betimi make money say eyade a site no enye legita enka 23 years echire common entia sisi a kabai now one make close site na say a tag no as a scam website. But because say a year ejuma 100% intino hwe egusu a che enkrofo sika. Alright, intino obetimi ageti paid mra offer service ena DM ene no me no wo so pa ne say obe watch videos now they are making money. Okay, intino be sign up na watch videos say ope say offer service so a obetimi affer service. One thing I na me service no I have many say most of them near boring. Baby some questions thing. Okay, we are no more sika command. Intina ya na mentain kasa fa service but o fele so be service na obetimi aye eno so be ma sika. Okay, eno obetimi so advertising for website na eno so wenye sika free ho eno obetimi so shop online. Alright, eno obetimi so complete special offers. It is our services we nyina ho obetimi so ka kire nkrofo na omonege ho so be join ya na won so wenya referral commission. Alright, you know, everything is so simple. Say what the site we say ebe make money ewo online. Alright, it's checking it out, sign it up. Now if you say we be ejuma, one thing I mess so can be more and not a manager partner say the moment I sign it up no na one amount a bonus of $5 into channel so na ebra creationsrewards.com. What's available countries now? US, Canada, UK, Australia. And I'm bet me I sign it up. But also bet me I Jebe say call Google search ZenMate VPN. ZenMate VPN. We say ZenMate VPN. Now it change your location no if to any of the available countries no. United States. And I'm doing the at home. Now we're connected. Okay, we are connected. I'm disconnected. Okay, are you connected? Ubetimi assign up from any country bia owo bia. Alright, nti emfa wo so Ghana use ZenMate VPN no na fe change o VPN no na say o country no echo United States na entimi mboa na assign up our website ni so ZenMate na Chrome extension nti simple say obetimi aye. Alright, okay, nti yanko the next website so remember our website back for ebegwa wa we making money just by watching videos online. Website recently so our in existence since 2007 and now almost a give and for cash online. And you also bet me afford into members of 1 million more. On say she has saying so join 1 million over 1 million members since 2007. And you also bet me I am one of these people now I make money online. Alright, any one say you videos na di I make money today. Nti no say when you say obe fail service na obetimi aye obetua waka for doing that. And na obe view us. I think say that particular way no. Mesan so aba no be video about that one alone. And na the make ho asam ne no obetimi a watch videos na ode a get paid. Obetimi so promote o business e was a website we say so. Okay. And he say obi traffic akwa ne website so obetumi agye nipa ko ne sika na obe use sa website we say e dey ato traffic e dey ama nipa ko no nti obetumi aye sa business ne so aside from say obehwe videos na ode amake money. Site ni din e dey youkeeps.com, but you and cube no a patron hyphen edantem, so you-cubes.com. All right, I hope say it is getting exciting. Say who kwanya bepa so a obe make money online just by watching videos. Yes, I am na akwanya no ewo ho na emomo no di obeda ne di a kire all the time no eno na eye difficult. Okay, and it is me done dey kire say yam na won so no it's up to you. Say obe take action na we follow process no na say unye o question bia e de fa ho a na wa drop e comment section no ase e de ama me ento sa obe join Telegram group no na wo do questions na fa ho e de ama me. Before say beto aso no, my number one recommending way a obetimi de amake money online no me de beto video description na say Meka Nation Republic any Cedis room website no eno de bia meka che say one of the best ways obetimi e de amake money easily online. Nti no betimi check them out no ho kwan befa so am wo de be yesa meka che say make over 5k Ghana cedis Nation website ne so and over 2k Ghana cedis Cedis room website ne so unso betimi ayesa check those videos no out video description as videos in them so videos in them obehu all those videos no check them out. All right, yeah, to us next website now fusioncash.net inti be sign up or say obetumi watch videos obetumi fele service na ode ameki money site we say so. The next website will make money online by just watching videos boxinsight.com. boxinsight.com. All right, inti register and if you say would be any of the websites if you ever register on the catch say what country no any available so bet me I register was our website ne so no me patch install sa Zenmate VPN na me kan ho asem no first country no na e connect with that no obetime nya ho kwan avisit and assign up to any website via Ghana any available ewa ha. It's so simple. Subscribe to channel and turn on notification bell no and get notified debia na me the video ebeto ahanum say enti no ebusia kan sa website so say nyina fa bom debia no obetimi amake at least $30 in the day. $30 in Ghana cedis ayesen $30. Okay, almost 400 Ghana cedis. Intino say oye echo anymore. Bon say obeko so amake reasonable money each and every day. All right. And say we share best so baby na ya beka any other website available say obetime de amake money. Wow sir, wo Ghana. I am yen share videos na edi yen enim ni mu baako. Macra for now.